You may be noticing that it takes too long for your iPhone to be fully charged. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone charging slowly. Without further ado, let's get started. So basically in this video, I'm just going to present some information that you want to consider on why your iPhone might be charging slowly. So I'm just going to open up my Safari to present some information from the Apple website. So firstly, you need to take consideration on your device because the newer iPhone models are the ones who support fast charging. So this one, it says that you can fast charge your iPhone 8 and later up to 50% battery in around 30 minutes. So if your iPhone model is like iPhone 7 or below, that might be the reason that your iPhone is charging slowly. So next thing is that you also need to consider the charger that you are using. So aside from making sure that it is authentic, fast charging works when you use an Apple USB-C to Lightning cable and one of the adapters that are shown right here. So you can just check the verification or the certification label on your charger to see that it is authentic and also uses the Apple logo or the certified device or charger for your iPhone. And another advice that I can give you is that to not use apps or games that drains the battery while you are charging your iPhone. So that is how you can basically fix iPhone charging slowly. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.